Hello students, welcome to Karnataka LMS, Nama Shakti, Nama Bhavishya. Program initiated by Department of Collegiate and Technical Education. In this video with regard to the subject organizational behavior for the management students. I'm Ranjita Biyar. Today, I'm presenting a topic that is group and individual behavior. Organizational behavior is a study of both groups and individual performance and action within an enterprise. This field of study scans human behavior in the working atmosphere. It determines the effect on job structure, performance communication, motivation, leadership, decision-making abilities, etc. The way an individual behaves and behavior as a group have two perspectives, internal and external. So behavior as an individual or in a group is always analyzed by everyone in the organization. It is analyzed at three different levels. Number one, individual level of analysis. Next, the group level of analysis. And third one, organizational level of analysis. Okay, let me see what is individual level of analysis. Organizational behavior at this level of analysis massively draws upon psychology, engineering, and medicine. At the individual level of analysis, organizational behavior includes the study of learning, perception, creativity, motivation, and personality. In addition, it also includes the study of turnover, task performance and evaluation, coordinated behavior, deviant work behavior, ethics, and cognition. For example, Ram joins a company as an intern and is very open to learning new things. But time passes and he gets promoted. His attitude towards his interns becomes rude. This is a fine example of individual level of analysis. Okay, let me see what is group level analysis. Organizational behavior at this level of analysis draws upon the sociological and socio-psychological discipline. At the group level of analysis, organizational behavior includes the study of group gesture, intra-group and intergroup dispute and attachment. It is further extended to the study of leadership, power, norms, interpersonal communication, networks, and roles. Example, board of directors of company X decide to give bonus to their workers as they have really worked hard on a certain project. This is group level analysis. Next one, organizational level of analysis. Organizational behavior at this level of analysis draws upon sociology and political science. At this level of analysis, organizational behavior includes the study of organizational culture, structure, cultural diversity, inter-organizational cooperation, and coordination. It further includes the study of dispute, change, technology, and external environmental forces. So let us understand with the example. To have a clear understanding on this topic, this is a case study. Have a look on it. Rohit is interested in becoming a singer as he is interested in music and feels he can do better in this field, while his parents force him to pursue his job as a software engineer. as according to his father's perception, a software job pays well and is far better than struggling to become a singer. In this case, we see Rohit and his father have a clash of opinions. Hence, this is a case of individual level of analysis. Extending this example further, if Rohit seeks help from his friend on this matter, his friend will support him as they have the same mindset, support the idea of following their own dreams, struggling and achieving their goal. Meanwhile, Rohit's father, friend circle might find the idea of pursuing singing as a career insane and support his father's decision of opting for a software. Here we see two different groups of people with contradicting ideologies. This becomes a case of group level of analysis. With this, I end this session. Thank you for watching. Thank you.